Hi, this is Pete from silverlighthowto.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at tutorial number 2 in our series on styling Silverlight sliders. If you recall, in part 1 we took a look at styling a regular slider up to look something like the slider or the volume control in Windows Media Player. Today's very short tutorial, we're going to take a look at taking that, tweaking it just a little bit to turn it into the scrubber that you would find in Media Player. So the scrubber would look something like this, which you'll notice is very similar to the volume slider. Difference is missing the thumb. The thumb appears when you mouse over the slider. Obviously this slider would update automatically as the media moves from beginning to end, and obviously if you drag it forward and backwards, you can scrub forward and backwards in the media. Alright, so that's what we'll be working on in this tutorial today. So bringing up Blend 4, here's the original project that we completed in the first part of this tutorial series, and we're going to take that and just extend it slightly. So I'm going to grab the background rectangle and the actual slider itself, copy it, paste it, and just move it down. Now obviously this isn't necessary, I'm just leaving this here to show you that the original style stays intact while we do a tweak. And the way we do that is we right click, edit template, and instead of editing the current template, which would alter both of them, obviously we want to edit a copy. This one we're going to call the scrubber slider instead. Click OK. And then in here we're going to mess with the thumb itself. So the thumb, we're going to go into its base state for this control, and that horizontal thumb right there, we're going to take that and set its opacity to 0. So its base state, if we click off of here, its base state is not going to have a thumb at all, which is obviously what we're looking for the actual scrubber. But when the user mouses over, so basically going to the mouse over state here, we want it to appear again. So we're going to go back to the thumb, and in that case we're going to set its opacity to 100%. Now we don't want it to appear immediately, so we're going to take the default transition and just slow it down just a touch to 0.25 seconds. So it'll take 0.25 seconds to appear when you mouse over it. And let's modify its width and height to about 11, and give this a quick run. Wait for it to fire up. And there you go. So here's your original volume slider, and here is something that you would use probably for the scrubber in the media player itself. When you mouse over it, the thumb appears, and you can take that and move it to wherever you want in the media. So that's about it. Seeing as that this is such a short tutorial, let's take this time as well to prove out that we can just style out some of the colors as well. Sorry. So I'm going to copy these original rectangle and slider again, and I'm going to take it, move it down here. I'm going to take the background color here of the rectangle, which obviously has nothing to do with the slider, but just to use it as an example, I'm going to set some of its colors here, something along that, something a nice rich blue. We're going to take the background here, crank it all the way. Now as you recall, the background and the foreground brushes here we have template bound through to the template itself, so without actually cracking open the template we're going to be able to alter its colors. So the background will crank all the way down to a black, and then give it its opacity about 20%, make it 30%, and that gives you that dark shade still with the blue background. And then what we'll do is lighten up the foreground color a little bit here. So let's go click on the foreground, take that to more of a light blue kind of color, and there you go. So if we go project, run project now, you've got the original, you've got the scrubber itself that we've just styled, and then you've got the new blue colored style that is still based on the original template here. So without too much sweat, we've been able to do 3 variations of the slider without a lot of effort at all. So just what we're looking to do, and there you go. There's your new colored slider. So that's about it for this tutorial. Very short and sweet, but that's basically what we're looking to do, just to show you how you could tweak the original, and so that we could just wrap up this this tutorial series. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. If you would like more Silverlight tips, tutorials, and resources, please visit us at silverlighthowto.com.